Imagine your SIEM generates this alert. One suspicious IP address. That's all you know. Is it malicious? Is it a VPN, a cloud provider, a botnet? Has it attacked anyone before? Without context, an IOC is just a string of characters. But with enrichment, that same IP becomes intelligence. Today, I'll show you how to build a Python IOC Enrichment Engine that automatically investigates IP addresses, domains, URLs, hashes, and email addresses before they ever reach your SIEM. IOC stands for Indicator of Compromise. These include IP addresses, domains, URLs, file hashes, and email addresses. Unfortunately, most security tools simply show these indicators. They don't explain them. An enrichment engine adds valuable context automatically. Instead of giving analysts raw data, it provides intelligence, reputation, country, ASN, malicious history, WHOIS details, and much more. That means analysts spend less time searching and more time investigating. Here's how our enrichment engine works. Logs arrive from firewalls, EDR, cloud platforms, email gateways, DNS, or web proxies. Python extracts every IOC automatically. Then it queries multiple intelligence providers. VirusTotal tells us whether malware has been seen before. AbuseIPDB identifies malicious IP activity. WHOIS provides ownership information. GeoIP identifies country and network. Finally, Python combines everything into one structured JSON object ready for Splunk, Microsoft Sentinel, Elastic, or any SIEM. The first job is extraction. Every incoming log is scanned automatically. Python identifies IPv4 addresses, domains, URLs, and hashes. Instead of manually copying values into browser tabs, the parser extracts everything instantly. This alone can save analysts hours every day. Now comes the exciting part. Python automatically queries threat intelligence providers. VirusTotal tells us, has this IOC been detected by security vendors? AbuseIPDB answers, has this IP participated in attacks? WHOIS identifies who owns this infrastructure. GeoIP tells us, where is this server located? You can even integrate gray noise, alien vault OTEX, URL house, or your organization's private intelligence feeds. Instead of opening 5 websites, Python performs every lookup automatically. After gathering all intelligence, Python merges everything into one standardized object. Notice how easy it becomes to understand the IOC. Country, provider, detection ratio, abuse confidence, owner, risk score. Analysts no longer waste time jumping between websites. Everything appears inside the investigation. Now let's make it smarter. Instead of sending every IOC to analysts, Python calculates a risk score. Low risk indicators can simply be logged. Medium risk indicators go to analyst review. High risk indicators generate critical alerts or even trigger SOAR playbooks automatically. This dramatically reduces alert fatigue and allows analysts to focus on genuine threats. Imagine investigating 100 alerts every day. Without automation, that's hundreds of manual lookups, thousands of browser clicks, hours of repetitive work. With Python, the entire process becomes automatic. Analysts receive enriched alerts, better context, faster decisions, higher detection accuracy. Learning Python isn't just about writing code. It's about eliminating repetitive work, making smarter decisions, and building security systems that think before analysts do. In the next video, we'll take this enrichment engine one step further. We'll automatically correlate multiple IOCs into complete attack chains using MITRE attack mapping. If you're serious about becoming a detection engineer, subscribe to Vic CyberWatch. I am Bikram Saini, and together, let's build the future of autonomous SOC. See you in the next video.